In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix spelling on Canva. If you're finishing a presentation, a social post, or any design with text, spelling mistakes can be easy to miss and frustrating to fix. The good news is that Canva includes built-in tools that make proofreading much faster, so you don't have to manually scan every page one by one. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open your design, turn on spell checking, fix individual typos, replace repeated mistakes across your project, and then do a final check before exporting your file. To begin, open Canva and go to your home dashboard. From your recent designs, open the project you want to work on. Once your design is on screen, click on the text box that contains the word you want to review. When the text box is selected, you'll see its boundaries highlighted, which confirms you're editing the correct text layer and not accidentally changing other design elements. Next, we need to make sure Canva's spell checker is turned on. Go to the top left area of the screen and click File. In the menu that appears, move to View Settings, then check that Show Spelling Errors is enabled. When this setting is active, Canva will underline words it believes are misspelled in real time. This is especially helpful when you're working quickly and want Canva to catch problems as you type. Now go back to your text. Look for any word with a red underline beneath it. To correct it, right-click directly on that word. Canva will display suggested corrections at the top of the menu. Click the correct spelling, and Canva will replace the mistake instantly. This is the fastest way to fix one-off typos without retyping the whole word manually. If the same spelling mistake appears in multiple places, you can correct everything much more efficiently using Find and Replace. First, select a text box in your design. Then press Ctrl and F on Windows or Command and F on Mac. This opens the Find and Replace panel on the left side. Type the incorrect word into the Find field. Then enter the corrected version in the Replace with field. After that, click Replace All. Canva will update every matching instance it finds, which can save a lot of time on larger projects. Before downloading, do a quick visual check. Move your text blocks slightly if needed, and use Canva's alignment guides to make sure everything still looks balanced after the corrections. Also check spacing and line breaks, since fixing a word can sometimes slightly affect the layout. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Share, then choose Download. Select PNG if your design is for digital use, or PDF print if you need a print-ready version. Finally, click Download to save your corrected high-resolution file. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.